Have you ever wondered why some people completely transform their lives while others seem to stay in the same place year after year? It isn't because they are luckier. It isn't because life is easier for them. And it certainly isn't because they never fail. The biggest transformations usually begin in silence, long before anyone notices the success. Before the applause, before the confidence, there are quiet habits. Tiny daily choices that seem insignificant in the moment, but become life-changing over time. If you feel stuck, discouraged, or like your efforts aren't paying off, this video is for you. Because one habit practiced every day can change a future that once felt impossible. Let's begin. Habit 1. Protect your first hour. How you begin your morning often shapes everything that follows. Many people wake up and immediately check social media, read negative news, or compare themselves with others before they even leave bed. Their energy has already been stolen. Instead, protect your first hour. Read something inspiring, stretch, walk, pray, or meditate if that's meaningful to you. Write one goal for the day. Even 10 peaceful minutes can completely change your mindset. The first hour is not just the beginning of your day. It's the beginning of your direction. Habit 2. Keep promises to yourself. Imagine telling a friend, "I'll be there tomorrow," then never showing up. Eventually, they stop trusting you. Now ask yourself, how many promises have you made to yourself and broken? I'll start Monday. I'll exercise tomorrow. I'll finish that project. Every broken promise weakens self-trust. Confidence isn't built by thinking positively. Confidence is built by proving to yourself that your words mean something. Start with one promise. Keep it, then another. Your confidence will quietly grow. Habit 3. Progress beats perfection. Perfection sounds inspiring, but it often becomes an excuse to delay action. People wait for the perfect plan, the perfect opportunity, the perfect time. Months pass, years pass, nothing changes. Meanwhile, someone else starts imperfectly, makes mistakes, learns, improves, and eventually succeeds. Small progress repeated every day will always beat perfect intentions that never become action. Done is better than delayed. Habit 4. Stop comparing your journey. Comparison steals more dreams than failure ever will. Someone will always have more money, more followers, a better job, a nicer house, but none of those things tell the whole story. You are seeing someone's highlight reel, not their private struggles. The only person you truly need to become better than is yesterday's version of yourself. Celebrate other people's success, then return your focus to your own path, your race, your pace. Habit 5. Feed your mind daily. Your mind becomes whatever you repeatedly feed it. If every day is filled with complaints, fear, anger, and negativity, your thinking will slowly reflect that. But if you spend even 15 minutes learning something valuable, reading, listening, or growing, your future begins changing one day at a time. Knowledge compounds, just like interest. The more consistently you invest, the greater the return. Habit 6. Protect your energy. Not every conversation deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves your reaction. Not every battle deserves your time. Some people drain your energy, others inspire it. Choose wisely. Protecting your peace isn't selfish. It's necessary. The strongest people are not those who argue the loudest. They are the ones who know where their energy belongs. Habit 7. Stay consistent when nobody is watching. The hardest part of any journey is continuing when nobody notices. No applause, no recognition, no instant reward. But that's exactly where greatness is built. A tree grows underground long before anyone sees its height. Your habits are planting roots. Keep showing up. Keep learning. Keep improving. One day, people will call your success overnight. You'll know it wasn't. Real change doesn't happen because of one motivational speech. It happens because you decide, again and again, to become the kind of person who refuses to quit. Remember, your future is being built by the small choices you make today, not the ones you plan for tomorrow. If even one habit from today's video inspired you, don't let it remain an idea. Turn it into action, because 1 year from now, you'll either be grateful you started today or wish you had. Thank you for watching. If this message encouraged you, consider subscribing for more motivational content every week and share in the comments. Which habit are you choosing to start today? Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.